Have you ever pondered about the connection between safety and sustainability? It may seem like an unusual question at first. After all, what does the practice of preventing harm or danger have to do with the long-term endurance of systems and processes? Well, that's exactly what we're here to explore. In our world today, both safety and sustainability hold significant importance. Safety, ensuring we're free from harm, and sustainability, making certain our actions today don't negatively impact our future. Two concepts, seemingly unrelated, but upon closer examination, they share an intricate connection. A connection that's often overlooked, yet vital in our journey towards a better, safer, and more sustainable future. Our purpose in this enlightening journey is to uncover this hidden relationship, to shed light on how safety and sustainability intertwine, how they support and enhance each other, and most importantly, why this connection matters to us all. So, are you ready? Join us as we delve into the secret link between safety and sustainability. Before we dive in, let's define our two key terms: safety and sustainability. Safety, in its simplest form, is the condition of being protected from harm or other non-desirable outcomes. It can apply to any aspect of our lives, from our personal well-being to the security of our homes and workplaces. Think about a construction site where workers are required to wear hard hats and safety boots, or the use of seatbelts in our cars. These are everyday examples of safety measures in place to prevent accidents and protect lives. On the other hand, sustainability is a broader term. It involves making decisions that not only benefit us in the present, but also consider the well-being of future generations. It's about meeting our needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. Picture a forest that is logged for timber. If it's done sustainably, only a certain amount of trees are cut down each year, allowing the forest to naturally regenerate. This way, the forest can continue to provide resources indefinitely, securing both our needs and those of future generations. Bringing these two concepts together, safety and sustainability, we can start to see a pattern. Both are about thinking ahead, making choices that prevent harm, and ensuring long-term well-being. When we put on a seatbelt, we're thinking about our immediate safety, but we're also considering the potential long-term consequences of not wearing one. Similarly, when we choose to log a forest sustainably, we're not just thinking about the timber we need now, but also the timber future generations will need. In essence, safety is about protection, prevention, and immediate well-being, while sustainability is about foresight, balance, and long-term well-being. But both share a common goal: to make sure that we and the generations that follow can live in a world that is safe, healthy, and capable of meeting our needs. Now that we have a clearer understanding of these terms, let's explore their connection. To better understand this connection, we'll examine a real-life case study. Imagine a well-known organization, a leader in its industry, that decided to actively intertwine safety and sustainability into its business model. This wasn't just a corporate social responsibility initiative, but a complete transformation of their operations. It's a story of foresight, leadership, and commitment to a safer, more sustainable future. Why this case study, you may ask? Well, this organization wasn't just successful in achieving its safety and sustainability goals, but it also reaped significant business benefits. It's a shining example that safety and sustainability are not merely cost centers, but catalysts for innovation and growth. This case study is relevant because it provides tangible proof of the secret link between safety and sustainability. It will help dispel any misconceptions and demonstrate the real measurable benefits of this connection. Let's dive into the details to uncover the secret link. Our case study involves a company that made a significant shift towards sustainability. Let's dive into the details here. This company, let's call it Company X, was a traditional manufacturing firm with a heavy reliance on non-renewable resources. Safety was not their strongest suit. In fact, their safety record was peppered with minor accidents and near misses. It was an environment where safety was seen as a burden, not a priority. Recognizing the need for change, Company X initiated a shift towards sustainability. They invested heavily in renewable energy, recycled materials, and waste reduction. they also started to consider the long-term implications of their actions, not just the immediate profits. But what's interesting here is how this shift towards sustainability impacted their safety practices. As they started to embrace sustainability, they realized that safety and sustainability are two sides of the same coin. They understood that a safe workplace is a sustainable workplace. So what did they do? They started by implementing a robust safety management system. This involved regular safety audits, risk assessments, and safety training for all employees. They also invested in safer equipment and processes, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. The results were astonishing. The number of accidents and near misses dropped significantly. Employees felt safer and more valued. There was a noticeable improvement in morale and productivity. Company X had not only become more sustainable, but also a much safer place to work. But the benefits didn't stop there. The company's reputation improved. Customers and suppliers were more eager to do business with them. They attracted top talent who were drawn to their commitment to sustainability and safety. And guess what else happened? Their profitability increased. Yes, you heard it right. Their shift towards sustainability and focus on safety led to higher profits. It turns out that safety and sustainability are not just good for the planet and the employees, but also for the bottom line. So let's take a step back and reflect on this. Company X was a traditional manufacturing firm with a poor safety record. They decided to embrace sustainability, and in the process, they transformed their safety culture. They became a safer, more sustainable, and more profitable company. What we can learn from this case study is clear. Sustainability and safety are intertwined. When a company embraces sustainability, it doesn't just help the planet. It also creates a safer workplace, improves morale, attracts top talent, enhances reputation, and yes, it can even boost profits. So next time you think about sustainability, remember Company X. Remember that sustainability is not just about saving the planet. It's also about creating a safer, healthier, and more prosperous future for all. As we can see, the move towards sustainability had a significant positive impact on safety. Now, let's break down why safety and sustainability are so intrinsically linked. You see, at the heart of it, sustainability is about creating systems that endure. It means building structures, whether physical or societal, that can withstand the test of time. But for anything to last, it must first be safe. A building that crumbles under the slightest pressure, a society that falls apart at the first signs of strife, these are not sustainable. So when we talk about sustainability, we're inherently talking about safety. They are two sides of the same coin. Sustainability leads to improved safety because it necessitates the creation of resilient, robust systems. It requires careful planning, risk management, and a proactive approach to problem solving. These are all principles that also underpin good safety practices. But let's delve a bit deeper into this interconnectedness. There's a concept we call sustainable safety. This is the idea of integrating safety into the sustainability framework. It's the belief that safety shouldn't be an afterthought or a separate initiative, but rather an integral part of all sustainability efforts. In a sustainable safety approach, safety measures are not seen as burdens or obstacles, but as essential components of a sustainable system. It recognizes that safe environments are more productive, more efficient, and ultimately more sustainable. For instance, a factory that prioritizes worker safety will see fewer accidents, less downtime, and better productivity. It can maintain operations over the long term, making it more sustainable. Similarly, a society that prioritizes the safety of its citizens creates a stable environment where people can thrive for generations. In essence, when a company or society prioritizes sustainability, safety naturally follows. The two are so tightly intertwined that it's almost impossible to have one without the other. And that's the beauty of this link between safety and sustainability. It's a symbiotic relationship where each element supports and strengthens the other, leading to a world that is not only safer but also more sustainable. So, what have we learned from our exploration of safety and sustainability? We've taken a deep dive into the definitions, explored a fascinating case study, and shed light on the intricate link between these two crucial concepts. We've seen that safety and sustainability are intertwined, each one reinforcing the other. A safe environment is a sustainable one, and a sustainable environment is inherently safe. From the micro level of our daily choices to the macro level of global policies, this link permeates every aspect of our lives. We've also discussed practical ways to promote both safety and sustainability, whether that's through responsible consumption, ethical business practices, or advocating for policy changes. As we conclude, let's keep this newfound understanding in mind. Let's strive to create a world that's not only safe for us, but for future generations as well. Remember, safety and sustainability are not separate goals, but two sides of the same coin. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the secret link between safety and sustainability.